Amelia Barnes is a competent and successful realtor in her late 20s. Today, she's hosting an open house in a quiet and remote suburban neighborhood. And as she drives through the forested roads, she's feeling a bit uneasy, so she calls her husband.
Hi, hun. I'm almost at the house now. I texted you the address. So just remember to keep your phone with you just in case, okay? And just don't forget our new emergency plan. Yes, and our code word, the red binder. Man, I don't know. I'm just feeling nervous today. It's so silly, but I'm sure it'll just be, the same old looky-loos and curious neighbors. It'll be fine.
After stopping a few times to put up her open house signs, she arrives at the house and parks her car off to the side. She can't help but admire the beauty of this home and its well-manicured gardens, ponds, and the gazebo underneath an enormous oak tree.
A bit isolated for me, but wow, I love how quiet and peaceful it is here.
She stops for a moment to listen to the birds and insects and feels calmer as she unlocks the door. She adjusts a vase of flowers in the lobby and begins to make final preparations. She takes the time to do a complete walkthrough inside and outside as a safe.